Struggling to bond or seal smooth, challenging surfaces? Introducing Buildrite Handy Fix Pro, an innovative 2-in-1 solution that serves as a heavy-duty sealant and adhesive for all your sealing and bonding needs. This modified paintable silicone sealant offers excellent adhesion, flexibility, and stability, along with resistance to weathering, UV exposure, ozone, rain, and airborne contaminant. It is safe, environment-friendly, non-corrosive, non-toxic, and resistant to water and mold. Ideal for sealing critical points, performing waterproof detailing, and bonding materials like polycarbonate. Handy Fix Pro bonds to a variety of materials, including metals, plastics, wood, ceramics, glass, and more. Seal it the right way with Handy Fix Pro. Heavy-duty adhesive and sealant.